So, good day, Sir Seth. I am here, Mark Vincent S. Sanchez, and I'm going to perform my return demonstration on infant bath. So, what is infant bath? So, based on definition, it is a process of safely and effectively cleaning a baby to promote hygiene, comfort, and bonding. It is a fundamental part of newborn care. The procedure varies slightly depending on the age of the infant, with different techniques and used for newborns and older babies. So the purpose of infant bathing is that bathing an infant is important for several reasons. Beyond just cleanliness, here are the key benefits of infant bathing. First is hygiene. It helps remove dirt, sweat, and bacteria from the baby's skin, preventing infection especially in skin folds. Next is bonding. Bath time can be calm, nurturing routine that strengthens emotional bond between the baby and the caregiver through interactions. Next is relaxation and sleep. A warm bath can help soothe a baby, making them feel secure and relaxed. Next is skin health. Regular bathing helps keep the baby's skin healthy. Next is routine building. Incorporating baths into a daily or regular schedule helps babies adapt to structure and predictability, which is important for development. Next is developmental stimulation, which is the last one. It supports sensory and cognitive development. So at this procedure, we will going to use equipments essential for infant bathing. First is baby bathtub. Next is cotton wool balls. Third one is the bin or plastic bag for any discharges or any garbages. Next is mild baby soap and shampoo, soft washcloths or face cloth. Next is soft hooded towel and bonnet, baby clothes, clean diaper, and a wrap, a jug of water, cool boiled water, or sterile water, then bath thermometer, optional but not recommended for this procedure. This is to ensure the water is at a safe temperature, ideally around 37 to 38 degrees Celsius. Next is baby lotion or moisturizer. It's optional for this procedure. Next is non-slip bath mat or towel for surface. Next is baby wipes to clean the baby's buttocks. So these are the equipments that we are going to use. To the procedure. First is we assess the family's preferred bath time and fit into their schedule. This is to respect their family's routine and promote cooperation in baby care. So here we have the mother and the child and the patient. So ma'am, tanong ko, unsay prefer na oras na magligo sa bata, ma'am?
Mga 6 to 7 a.m. sir.
Okay, 6 to 7 a.m. Thank you, ma'am. 6 to 7 a.m. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Next is we check for the infant's body temperature before bathing. This is to ensure that the baby is not cold or feverish, which could make the bathing unsafe. So it is important that you must know the baby's temperature before taking bath. Ma'am, pwede nyo ibutang sa baby kayo, ma'am, para ma-check na to ang temperature niya, ma'am. Butang siya there, ma'am. Okay. Check ko temperature niya, ma'am, ha?
Yes po.
Okay. Bebe, mag-ano ko, bebe, ha? Iserve na ako. Okay. Okay, 36.7. Okay. There ang maming baby, oh. Kami. Good baby. So 36.7. So temperature of the child, so normal. Next is we prepare the necessary materials. This is to make the procedure smooth and safe and preventing from leaving the baby unattended. Next is we perform hand hygiene and wear PPE if needed. This is to prevent cross-infection and also knowing that babies have weak immune systems. This will help them avoid any bacteria from coming to them. So prior to this procedure, it is stated that the baby is normal, so PPE is not needed for this procedure. So I will only perform hand hygiene. So with the use of ABHR, so here, introduce ourselves to the client. This is to establish trust and rapport within the family and show professionalism. So, good day ma'am, I'm Mark Vincent Ason, just a student nurse of Davao Oriental State University, and I'm here to cater your needs. So first is we verify the infant's identity using at least two identifiers, which is the birthday and name, and also the identification number. This is to ensure correct patient care and also prevent mistaken identity. So, ang pwede kong tanas sa name sa bata, ma'am.
Rain Elliot de los Santos, sir.
Okay. Rain Elliot Los Santos. Okay. Ang birthday, ma'am.
October 15, 2025.
Okay. It appears that we have the correct patient here. Next is we explain the procedure to the family and encourage participation. It is to gain the family's understanding and cooperation and promote parent learning. So, ma'am, karon ma'am, ako dire para magligo sa inyong bata. Ma'am, first time yung magligo sa bata niyo, ma'am?
Yes po.
Okay, first time niyo, ma'am. So, atong bata, ma'am, siliguan ako siya, ma'am. Pwede na ka matanaw during the procedure, ma'am, para makabulo ka sa ang buhaton. Sa og tama na pamakagi sa pagligo sa bata. Next is we provide privacy by closing doors and curtains. This to maintain the baby's and family's privacy and comfort. So, we need to close the doors. And after that is we turn on the fans and air conditioning. This is to prevent the baby from chilling. This maintains the baby's body temperature and prevent hypothermia. So we need to close the air condition or electric fans. So preparing the bath. First is we fill the basin with lukewarm water, filling 1/3 level of the tub, and check the water using the elbow. So knowing that infants have sensitive skin and poor temperature control, so we must use cool boiled water because this water becomes distilled because of the boiling, and also after that we must pour 1/3 of the basin. Next is you must check the temperature of the water using elbow if it is suitable for the child. So, I'm going to use my elbow. It appears the temperature is alright. Next is we squeeze 2 drops of baby soap into the water and mix well. Baby skins are delicate and prone to irritation. Few drops are needed to clean without tripping natural oils off the baby. So, we need to squeeze 2 drops. 1, 2. Then we mix well with our hands. So next is we place the baby on the mat, towel, and gently remove the vest. This will ensure baby safety. After that is we remove all clothing, leaving the diapers on, and wrap the baby with a towel, keeping the baby hands and feet wrapped within the towel. This will help the baby keep warm and prevent cold stress during bath time. So, baby, tanggalan ko ni mo sa inyo, baby, ha? Baby, tanggalan ko ni mo sa inyo, baby, ha? Grabe na food si mama, baby. Uy, dako ra kayong gipalit sa iyo, mga baby. Oversized cake ka. Geng on top. Oversized ko na si baby. Ay, baby, tanggalan ko ni. Okay. Mut. Tanggalan ko ni baby, ha? Okay. After that is we wrap the baby. Next is clean the baby's eyes. Wipe the eyes using a clean cotton ball moistened with cool boiled water and squeeze out the excess water. Clean the baby's eyes starting from the inner to outer contours. Use a new piece of cotton balls in each eye and clean in one stroke. Observe for any sticky or yellowish discharge around the baby's eyes and report it to the charge nurse. This method gently cleans the eyes while preventing infection and allows early detection of discharge from timely reporting. So, use cotton balls, in water, then squeeze out the excess water from it. Then, we clean the baby's eyes starting from the inner to the outer counters. So, okay. There is no yellowish discharge from the eyes. One. Squeeze out the excess. And after that is we clean from the inner to the outer canthus. Okay. Next is we clean the baby's face, ears, and neck. Dip washcloth and make a mitt and wash the face, ear, and dry all areas thoroughly. So at this part, we will use cottons to clean the baby's face, ears, and neck. So remove the excess. Really do not touch the mouth. This technique ensures gentle cleaning and thorough drying to maintain skin health and preventing irritation. Next is we hold the baby in a football hold, supporting the head and neck. Tilt the head back over the basin and wash the hair. So, hold the baby in a football hold. Okay. Yeah. Then after that is we tilt the head, sit, and wash the hair. This position ensures safe support of the baby's head while allowing effective and comfortable hair washing. Next is we place the infant on a towel and dry the head with the towel's corners. So, we gently dry the head using the towel corners. So, kita pa na to ni baby, ha? Okay. Okay. Dili mag-cry, ha? Don't cry. After this is We unwrap the towel and remove the diapers and clean soiled buttocks with wet wipes. So let's remove the diapers. So it is crucial for us to wash our hands after, specifically if the baby has passed motion. So this ensures that the baby stays dry and clean while preventing infection. So okay baby, tanggalan ko ni ha. Okay. Ita sa itong tiil. Okay, magkwanta. Tanggal yung diaper. Okay. Taas. Okay. Labi na ito ne. Hindi mag-cry ha. Hindi mag-cry. Okay. Say good na baby. Then, now let's use wet wipes to wash the baby's buttocks. So, we gently wipe the buttocks of the child to remove any feces. So, okay. Mag-wipes ko baby ha. Okay. There you go. Okay. Di mag-cry ha. Then washing the baby's body. Position your left hand under the baby's shoulder to support it and secure our fingers under the baby's armpit to have a good grasp. Then slide our right hand under the buttocks and grip the baby's thigh and lift the baby and slowly lower it into the bathtub. So this ensures secure hold and safe entry into the water. Okay, buta na natin ka baby ha. Tamag cry ha, tamag cry. Okay. Okay, hinihintay lang. Okay, nakalingkod na. Next is, allow the baby to sit in the tub with our left hand still supporting the baby's shoulder while keeping the baby's head above the water level. Then release our right hand grip and bathe the baby front and private part area with the help of a face cloth. This prevents choking and ensure gentle cleaning. Okay, baby, dito mag-cry. Limpyan natin mo tiyan, ha. Tabangan mo, limpyan na to. Okay, dito na mag-cry, ha. Hinayin lang na to, ne. Okay. After that, once done, use our right hand to take over the grip under the baby's armpit and allow it to lean forward over our right arm for support while we clean the back and the buttocks with our left hand. So, it maintains safety, comfort, and promoting bonding. Okay, baby? So cute to baby. Di na mag-cry, ha? Di na mag-cry ng baby. Di na mag-cry. Okay, di na mag-cry, baby, ha? Hapit na tama human. Mag-cry, ha? Di na mag-cry. Hapit na tama man, baby. Okay. Very good ang baby. Wala nag-cry. Then, okay. Di na mag-cry, ha? Dili mag-cry. Then after that is we lift the infant out of the water and place the infant gently onto the towel. Dry the baby's body gently and thoroughly. And pay attention to skin folds and be sure to dry behind the ears, in between fingers and toes, under the armpits and private area. So this prevents chills and skin irritation by ensuring dryness. Okay, plaster na to si baby. Okay, trabaho na to ng lawa sa baby, ha? Okay, mga kamot ron, be. Trabaho na to ni ron. Okay, til sa ata. Then, human. Trabaho na to ng kamot. Okay, taas ang isa kamot ron, baby, ha? Taas na to ni karon. Okay, itaas na to. Trabaho na to ng kamot, ha? Kini mga tudlo. Okay. Sige, pikas na punta, pikas na punta, baby, ha? Pikas na punta. Okay, kinsa may good na baby, wala nag-cry. Sige, pikas na punta. Okay, punta ni si baby, ha, para maugan ni siya. Manaman miligo. Okay. Okay, tsapuhan to ning tail sa baby, ha? Kinsa may good na baby, oy. Wala siya nag-cry. Okay. Very good sa baby, oy. Wala nag-cry. Hey, pa na to ni Dere. Letra pa na to ni Dre sa mong kuan hati ilan. Okay. Sige. Kabutan sa baby, oy. Kita pa na to yung lubot. Okay. Next is washing the umbilical cord. Before dressing the infant, be sure to clean the umbilical area with cool boiled water. So, first is we need to wash our hands before cleaning the umbilical cord. Use cotton balls dipped in cool boiled water and squeeze dry to clean the base and the cord with one circular motion. Then discard the swab after used. First is we do the base. So let's assume that the scissors is the umbilical clamps. So first is we do one rotation. Then afterwards is we clean the base up to the top. So base to the top. Then afterwards another one. Then each time using a new piece of swab, then we clean the cord clamp and the tip of the cord. Okay. So let's put that aside. Next is we clean the genitalia. So for female infant, separated labia with a cotton ball moistened with cool boiled water. Cleanse downward on one each side and use a new piece of cotton ball for the other side. So, maybe wipes ko ni. Okay, tapan ko ni baby ha. Okay, tapan na ta. Okay. So, cleaning downward with a new cotton ball on each side prevents bacteria from the anal area spreading to the urethra, reducing infection risks in the female infant. Now, dressing the infant. Do not overdress the infant. You must wear clothes that is comfortable for the environment. You may apply a lotion before dressing the infant, but baby powder is not encouraged. Next is you must cuddle the infant often for reassurance. So, dressing the infant in comfortable clothing suited to the environment helps regulate their temperature and prevents overheating. Avoiding baby powder reduces the risk of respiratory issues, and applying lotion keeps the baby skin moisturized. And frequent cuddling provides emotional comfort and security. Okay, baby. Mag-diaper na ta. Okay, nantaw ng diaper ng baby. Sige, magsanina na ta karon, baby ha. Okay, magkalusa. Magsanina ta. Okay, baby. Okay, sandi karon, baby ha. Tarungan sa kanimong sanina. Sige, alsa 1, 2, 3, alsa. Okay. Kuhaan sa kanay, baby. Ali, kuhaan ko ni. Sige, balin na ka there, baby ha. Okay. There you go. Okay. Tang natin ka karon. Okay. Tang sa may uluhan. Plaster na to. Okay. Ayan ang baby sa position. Sige. Isulod na nato na karon ang kuan kamot baby sa sanina. Okay. Okay, dako ra kay sanina si baby. Ilang buday lang ta. Sige, ibot ang tana. Then, pikas na ta. Sige, isulod. Okay, di mag-cry ha, di mag-cry. Ilis na ta, hapit na ta mga man. Sige, batong kamot. Sige, hikta na to niya itong kilid sa sanina para mahipos na. Okay. Okay, human na. Tawanan na ang baby. Now, document the body temperature and the time of the procedure was done. So first is we take the temperature of the child. So, okay, mag-wipes ta. Documenting ensures accurately tracking temperature change over time and ensuring proper communication with healthcare provides for timely and informed case decisions. So, okay, nag-take na tayo temperature. So, ang temperature ni baby kay, 37.3. Okay, 7.3. I-record na to ni 37.3 degrees Celsius. Let's take note. Okay, di mo kay baby ha. I-note saan ako ni 37.3 degrees Celsius. Then, time done is that, let me check first, 6:30 a.m. Okay, time done, 6:30 a.m. Okay, and now, let's wrap you up. Okay, wrap na baby na ni. Okay. Di mag-cry ha. Hapit umanata. Hapit umanata o humanata. Okay, di na mag-cry humanata. Okay. And that's for my third menstruation on infant bath. Thank you.